Welcome to the fascinating world of spices, the hidden heroes of culinary art. Spices have not only seasoned our dishes, but also our history, influencing trade routes and even the fate of nations. Let's dive into the colorful and aromatic world of some of the most beloved spices. First up, black pepper, often dubbed the king of spices. Did you know black pepper was once so valuable it was used as currency? It's native to India and has been a coveted spice for thousands of years, leading to the exploration of new continents. Moving on to cinnamon, a spice that comes from the inner bark of trees from the genus Cinnamomum. It's not just for your morning toast. Ancient Egyptians used cinnamon for embalming, highlighting its preservative and medicinal properties. Next, let's talk about turmeric, the golden spice. It's not only a staple in Indian cuisine, but also has been used in traditional medicine for its anti-inflammatory properties. Interestingly, turmeric can also be used as a natural fabric dye. Ever heard of saffron, the most expensive spice in the world? It takes about 75,000 saffron blossoms to produce a single pound of saffron spice. Saffron is revered not only for its unique flavor, but also for its color, and has been a symbol of wealth and hospitality. Lastly, vanilla, which is far more than just a flavor. Did you know that vanilla comes from orchids? The labor-intensive process of pollinating the vanilla flowers by hand contributes to its price. Despite its popularity, vanilla is the second most expensive spice after saffron due to the intensive labor required to grow the vanilla pods. Spices not only add depth and flavor to our food, but also have a rich history and numerous health benefits. From the peppercorns that were once worth their weight in gold to the vanilla orchids pollinated by hand, spices continue to captivate our senses and enrich our culinary experiences. Thank you for joining me on this Spice Odyssey. Remember, every spice in your kitchen holds a story waiting to be told.